In a community of 5,000 people, 40 from the 40 different households became infected with a new strain of influenza virus with an incubation period of 7 days. The total number of people in the household is 150. 10 days later, 90 new cases of same disease are reported from the same household. 25 more cases are reported from these households after a month. Total number of cases reported per month from this community is 1024. What is the secondary attack rate for this infection? Here we are asked about the secondary attack rate. Incubation period given to us is of 7 days. So after 10 days, total 40 different households became infected. So the population which was at risk is 150, because out of those 40 houses, in those 40 houses, 150 people used to live. So 150 people were affected. But out of this 150 people, 40 people were already infected in the primary case. So people left is 110. The denominator should be 110. And 10 days later, 90 new cases of the same disease are reported from the same houses. So it should be 90 new cases upon the population which is now going to be affected. R is 150 minus 40, that is 110. That is the secondary attack rate. The secondary attack rate is the number of at-risk individual developing a disease with one incubation period from a primary case. That is the number of exposed person developing the disease within the range of incubation period upon total number of person exposed to the primary case. It is stated that 40 people from 40 different households have the infection. They serve as the primary case for the family. There are a total of 150 people in all those 40 households, and 40 of them are already infected. Therefore, the at-risk population is 150 minus 40, which is equals to 110. Nothing has been specified about the vaccination status of any of these 110 individuals. And because the infection is a new one, we can assume that everyone is susceptible. The number of new cases that develop within one incubation period is 90. That means secondary attack rate is calculated by dividing 90 by 110 and multiplied by 100 to express in percentage. Once a disease has been introduced in a population through the index case, SAR gives estimate of person-to-person transmission. A disease with a high SAR is a potential epidemic because it has high transmissibility. SAR is also used among first-degree relatives of someone with a non-communicable disease to study the pattern of familial transmission of such diseases and to get an idea about the genetic and environmental risk factors. So learning objective R means SAR, the secondary attack rate, are calculated to estimate person-to-person transmission of a disease. SAR is calculated by dividing the number of cases by the total number of contacts. It is expressed as a percentage.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.